Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on our channel. So today's video is a lot different from what we normally do on this channel. So if you're new to this channel, I've got some playlists that I've created for you guys so that you can see what this channel is all about. I will drop the links down in the description box below. But today's goal is to take this BMW, spend as little as possible money and make as much as possible gains. So let's cut straight to the chase and not waste any time. We're going to make some small changes to the car. The goal is to make as much as possible gains, but to still keep it a safe, everyday, usable car and not mess it up and destroy things when you drive it. Well, I think that's what happened here. The goal was to spend as little as possible money and something went kapow! So now we're gonna have to spend some more money to get this baby. So it started off cheap, it ain't cheap anymore, because now from the work that we've done, the gains that we've made, the next component wasn't strong enough to handle the situation and it blew up. So, but we'll get to that a little bit later in the video. To start off, I'm quickly going to show you guys a stock dyno run on this car to show you what the power is at when we start off with this build. So here's the stock run. Stock run 227 kilowatt, manufacturer rating 225 kilowatt. We're working with a healthy car. So here's the stock exhaust. So I'm going to show you guys what the stock exhaust looks like. So we're going to remove this complete system and we're going to fit a straight pipe. I'm just going to put a little box in the middle just as to act as a resonator, otherwise there's a lot of drowning in the car. So I've gone ahead, I've dropped the car off at the exhaust place. Goodbye old exhaust, you're getting revamped. It's the next day, we got the car back and this is what the exhaust looks like now. So this is our replacement exhaust. It's not the greatest of jobs, but the price tag was appealing, so that's why we went for this option, because like I said, we're going to spend as little as possible money to make as much as possible gains. Now that you've seen the replacement exhaust system, we're going to take it in, we're going to do a software stage 1, keep it safe but make nice gains. So let me show you guys our dyno run after the tune. And there's our results. We started off at 227 kilowatt, we ended up at 281. So that's a gain of around 54 kilowatt and just over 100 Newton meters of torque. Now that's amazing. So after ripping for a bit, this is what happened. So this is our boost pressure sensor, or it looks like a temperature sensor, and it blew off completely. The pipe broke into pieces. I just want to show you guys. So this piece broke off, this pipe popped off, and right over there you can see that's where it popped off. So I'm not going to fit a plastic pipe again. I'm rather gonna go for, there's an aluminium kit that I found online, so I'm gonna go for this aluminium kit, and I'm rather gonna install the aluminium kit, or as Americans say, aluminum kit. I'm gonna install this and the problem should be something of the past. That's a wrap for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, where we will probably rather rebuild a car than breaking a car, because we're doing mods to it. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.